With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question here is that the epithelial tissue, we have to talk about the epithelial tissue here, right? So this is the tissue, one of the tissue in our body here, and it's seen that it is composed of the cells which are laid together. So cells, they are associated together tightly here in the form of the sheaths, right? With the cells, they are tightly connected to each other. Okay, so epithelial cells have the two surfaces that differs in both structures and function here. So we have different types of epithelium in our body, as we can see in this figure here. We have around 7 types of epithelium, and according to the function and the structure, they are differentiated here. Now, if we talk about the function here, so the major function of the epithelial tissue, it is all associated with the protection, right? So what is the role in the protection here? So epithelial tissue, they are protecting the underlying tissue from the radiations, right? Any kind of radiation that is entering the body here, any kind of toxin or any kind of the physical trauma here, right? They are also involved in the absorption, right? Absorption of the elements here. Then it has the role in the excretion also. So according to the site of the epithelial here, it has different structure as well as the function, right? It has the secretion role. It is lining the certain glands here, right? Absorption, excretion, secretion. Then we have the detection of the sensations. All they are controlled by the epithelial tissue in our body here. Now, if we talk about the types here, so first we have the simple squamous, right? First one, it is the one which allow the material to pass through it freely here, and we can see that it is a single layer and it is found in the lungs, right? I will write number here. So this is the one, and it is found in the lungs, air sacs, right? In the heart also, in the lining of the heart also, in the lining of the blood vessels, right? Because here the diffusion has to occur and it has to be quite thin. Now the next we have the simple cuboidal cells. We can see that they are cuboid shape, right? Now their role is to secrete and absorption here, right? So they are involved in the secretion and the absorption here, and they are found in the glands and they are found in the kidneys here, right? Now we have the simple columnar. We can see that the column shaped cells are there, and they are all the one which also has the absorption and the secretion function, right? And now they can be ciliated here. Okay, so they are found in the bronchi, in the respiratory tract here. They are found in the uterine tubes. Uterine tubes mean I'm talking about the uterus here, right? And they are also found in the digestive tract here. Now then we have the pseudo-stratified here. So we can see that they are quite irregular in their shape here. They are also the one which secrete here. So they secrete mucus, and ciliated tissue moves the mucus here. So they are the one which have the ciliated tissue line the trachea and the upper respiratory tract here. So they are found in the trachea as well as the upper respiratory tract. Then we have the stratified squamous here, like this. We can see that the bunch of layer, it is present here, right? It is the one which is found in the esophagus. It is lining the esophagus here, the mouth and the vagina, right? And their role is to protect against the abrasions, because we can see that how much thick they are, and they provide against the abrasion, that means peeling here. Now we have the last, which is the this stratified cuboidal, and transition is left here. So stratified cuboidal, they are the one which are protective in function, and they are found in the salivary glands as well as the mammary glands here. Salivary and the mammary glands. Now if we talk about the transitional here, so they are the one which are lining the bladder, because they have to contract as well as the relax here. So there's a transition in their state, and they are the one which allow the urinary organs to expand and stretch here.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.